Okay, we're starting to fire, and we do have a good draw. Kind of hear it. So I ended up replacing the one piece only. The rest of it is good for this year. You know, maybe next year I'm gonna have to replace more of it. I think the next piece that's gonna go bad is gonna be right in here. But probably the rest of it will just I'll replace the rest of it all in one shot. For some reason, this was the part that did rust on the top there. I laid the copper piece back on there just for kicks. I don't know. I don't think there was any water coming down on it. I just think that's for some reason where it went through. After I took the screwdriver to it and broke some of it out, so it wasn't as bad as what it looks here, but it was, you know, it was definitely weak. Once I took the screwdriver to it, the rest just came right out, so it did slide out nice. So I used the same piece, the same type of slip joint, and then with one of these stainless steel clamps. And so we're back. Oh, I did clean it out. So inside, there's a where it goes up, there's a T, and there's about 2.5, 3-inch spot there, and it was like sand in there. So I pulled that out with my hands, put it in the ash bucket, cleaned that all out. It wasn't blocking any of the flow, and I could feel the pipe. I tried to put a mirror in there, but it was just too big. I couldn't get the right angle to look up through, but I could feel up through. And yes, it was black, but that was it. There wasn't anything else on it. You know, you could scratch it with your fingernails, but that was it. I mean, it didn't flake anything off or anything, so I don't think we're decreasing airflow there. And we're getting good draw right now. I mean, it's definitely good draw. Taking right off. So, and that's with the damper already partly down. So I think we're all good. This doesn't look the greatest with the rust here, but you know, it's going to continue. And this is just for looks anyways. I did put this aluminum here to like enclose it more. And I probably did a video about that when I originally did it. And we're gonna do the other stove, and I want to do a nicer job. I'm not gonna screw in. Last time I screwed in here to hold these tight, but honestly, they're not going anyplace. They're just sitting there. It's not gonna, doesn't have any effect. It's just for looks. Kind of give a sealed off look, because the bricks do not come tight against here. This is a square opening. So I'm just taking a square down to the circle. Okay, so this stove is ready to go for the year and going nicely. And Ava and Meyer here with me, tearing wood apart. Probably out of boredom. The splitting block here looks so nice. You just kind of tap the top of the wood and then hit the wood against the base, and it's, you can split off starter wood, kindling wood, real easy. Just really like it. It's a nice height to work from. Don't have to bend over. So really strongly recommend. I really like this next to the stove. Okay, let's. I might not do any more tonight, but tomorrow we take the other stovepipe apart and we fix that one. And this time we're going to do this around there, because I never did get that one nice. So we're gonna cut an aluminum piece and everything. We're gonna do it up nice. Okay, fire's going and the heat's on its way. You can feel it already. Say, Maya.